Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a great day. Let's look at your directions for your asynchronous work for Monday and Tuesday of this week. So remember that at some point you are going to have a synchronous meeting with your English teacher on one of those days. While you are not in that synchronous meeting, your job is to get this document taken care of. So you have 2.5-ish days to work on it if you think about it that way. Part of that time will be your synchronous session, depending on how you are scheduled, okay? So let's take a look. We're doing Seedfolks Introduction. First, we have our learning target. I can gain an understanding of our text by completing the pre-reading activities. Next is our success criteria. I have explained the background of the novel, and I have defined community in my own words. And finally, our directions. Please read each box and complete each task. You work on this when you are not in your synchronous sessions on Monday or Tuesday. So biggest thing I want you to hear with this is do not leave this to not do. Like, I'm not saying, okay, just do it whenever. If you are not in a synchronous session from 8:30 to 9:45, you are working on this document. That is the goal, okay? So take a look here. There's a couple different things that you'll be doing. We have our essential question, the impact of community, a picture is worth 1,000 words, some about the author information, and a prediction. This is your work while you are not in your synchronous session. I hope this is helpful, and good luck.